All right, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another trade recap. Such a simple day today, to be honest. So I'm going to get right into it. Made about $570 across my two accounts here. This is the TradeSync P&L. So going into the higher time frame, this is the only thing that I had my eye on today, which was the data low. So it was created by this news right here. You could see this on Financial Juice because it shows the news that comes out minute by minute. And then the red ones are going to be that high impact news that creates data wicks. Just like I said yesterday, anytime that we have a data low or a data high, that's my priority for the day until it gets swept. So I was targeting this data low. Another reason for that is because on the higher time frame, we clearly had bearish market structure as well. Still respecting this 1 hour bearish fair value gap. So I wanted to see price basically come up here and displace down towards these sell side draws. Going into the 15-minute, I was looking for basically an area where price will likely continue off of. And there wasn't really anything on the 15-minute, no obvious fair value gap. So dropped down to the 5-minute. That's where I saw this. Wasn't an unmitigated 5-minute, but it's very likely for price to come up, sweep this internal high here inside this 5-minute gap, and then we get a continuation short towards this data low. If we look on the 1-minute now, you can clearly see how obvious this data wick is right here. And again, that's what you want to see. And we also have perfect low resistance liquidity here. So nice generated liquidity on the way down to this data low. So what happens here? Market open, we pump up. Once we tapped into that 5-minute gap and we got this displacement candle, this is what gives me the confirmation that we're going to continue lower towards our sell side draw. So we entered right here, stop above the high. And now anytime I mark this, this is just showing the trade idea, right? I didn't hold it all the way down to this data low. I just hold for usually around a fixed 1R, and price flushed through there, hit that in like 2 minutes after we entered, and then continued to sell off all the way towards the data low and past that towards this sell side liquidity. Such an obvious trade today. We came up, we got that nice V-shaped reaction out of this 5-minute. That's what you want to see. A very quick reaction that we know this 5-minute is now going to hold. Enter off the displacement candle, target 1-to-1, and that's it. We're all out for the day. Very quick trade recap for today. It was pretty obvious in my opinion, but if you didn't take this trade, I didn't really see anything after this because we took sell side liquidity inside this 1 hour fair value gap, and I don't take like higher time frame reversals like this. So I wasn't really looking for anything after this. Again, one trade and I'm done for the day, especially when you get such a nice trade like this. So with that being said, if you guys want to join my free Discord, the link is in the description below. You can access that. I also have my displacement model checklist and my free trading journal in there too, if you guys haven't gotten that already. I probably won't be trading tomorrow because it's a third Friday of the month, which means it's OPEX. So it's the day that options expire. So typically you're going to have very like snaky price action. It's not going to deliver properly to our higher time frame draws. So I typically stay out of the market on those days. I will take a look at it, but very likely going to be done for the week, especially ending it on such a good note today. So we'll see you guys in the next video on the weekend.